Hey guys, welcome back to my Mini BarbieLand. Now, in the first video with the Toys R Us that was closing, I did show you these two, and I believe this one. And since then, I have found a few more of these on clearance. These lipsticks are just so cute. I want to keep them once we get the little doll out. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, but I want to keep them. And I'm thinking these ones, the packaging can be used for our 18-inch doll. Now, today, we're actually going to open them and go through them, but I believe that this will be too much to do in one video. So we're going to start with the smaller pieces and then work our way to the house. I may have to split this into two, but we'll see. So I don't know, maybe we'll do like these three and then these, or we'll do these ones and this. You know what? Oh, I don't know how I want to split it. I want to save the house for last. So let's move this cute. I love this so much. I can't wait to make my Mini BarbieLand display. I'm going to move the house. So we will put the house over there. That leaves us with the car. So cute. And the little accessories. So I say let's start with the newest. Let's start with the lipsticks. And we'll just put these like off to the side. Oh, it fell. All right, let's just stack them there. Okay, let's start. I'm going to move this one. I am so sorry for my arm. There's her little house. Oh, you can't even see it. Look how great that is. So we'll just, off to the side and let's get started with these ones. Now, these ones are so cute. Okay, let's start with the lipsticks. These are great because they have a doll inside. So I think you just pop this off and you have the little doll. So we can have our own little Mini BarbieLand, which is what I want to do. I'm going to, once we have it all open, I have a little corner shelf. I'm going to put all of this on. It's going to look so cute. These, I believe, let me grab my Maple Lee doll. I believe these are going to be too big because here's her head as an accessory. Like, look at the size of the lipstick. So we won't be able to use them for our dolls, but we can find something else. I don't know. Maybe you want to put it on your dresser. Okay. I don't know. You tell me. Let's get into it. And these ones all have, I'm just noticing that these two have the same doll. So I'm hoping that there's like more of them and it's not just these, because you see on the packaging, it's the pink skirt. And then this one has like the bunny because it's the cutie reveal. This one has a girl with green hair. I mean, it is showing mystery, right? Even this one shows the iconic 1980s totally hair. And this one has, you can't see her, another Barbie in like, I guess those are pants, like a denim jumpsuit. So I'm hoping that these two aren't going to be the same, but with mystery, you never know. Let's go right into it. Now, which one? Tell me in the comments, which one is your favorite color of lipstick? Are you a red girl or a pink girl? Kind of in the middle. I'm kind of in the middle. I don't want to break. I did bring scissors. I don't want to break the packaging in case I want to use part of it in my display. I'm so excited to put this display together because we might want to use some of it. Let's just, there. Oh my gosh, like look how cute. Is that the same? Okay, so these ones have the same background, but the house and the car have different backgrounds. Now, I don't want to ruin it. I'm going to ruin it. I'm going to ruin it. Can I? Maybe I can just... I don't know. Okay, well, I didn't ruin the whole thing. You know what? Maybe for the lipstick ones, I should just like rip it open. Maybe I should. Let me move my scissors out of the way. So here is our lipstick. Look at how cute. It even says Barbie. How does it open? Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to open. Oh my gosh. Do you see that? Okay. Just like a lipstick. Look. It's growing. It twists up. And it comes off, and there is Barbie. Look at how tiny. Does she pop out of there? Like, oh, okay. That's a stiff. That was stiff. Okay. So you can leave her on her display, which I don't know. Maybe I just leave her on the display like that. She is super cute. I can't see really what she's wearing. It is hard to focus. It's a little, I don't know. She's got brown hair and a red and white dress, like a nightgown, and she bends. That is so cute. So you can leave her on this and she can go up and down, or you can pop her off. She was stiff the first time to get her off. Okay. All right. I don't know. I think that is super, super cute. Look at the detail. It is hard to see. There is detail because she's so tiny. Okay, there's our first one. She is hard. Look at her compared to the lipstick lid. She is hard to see. All right, let's do the red one. So how many of them are there? It doesn't actually tell you. One mini doll, one container. So this isn't actually her stand. I mean, I suppose you could leave her in the stand. Let's cut this one open again. I don't know. Maybe you can make jewelry or earrings if you're really creative. Just pop it out because I don't want to ruin the backing, but also maybe now I don't want to keep the backing. If I have to just cut that little part, I'm losing the good picture. You know what I mean? Like, do I want to? I don't know. Okay. So now we know. Now we know. We twist the lid. Look at how cute that is. I love this. Just for play. If you have little ones and they just want to pretend lipstick, I mean, I would maybe secure it so it doesn't pop off. Oh, there it is. But I love the fact that this goes up and down. It doesn't have a lid, but you know, for play makeup, you can actually get multiple uses out of this. So let's wheel her back up. It is a different Barbie. I knocked her over. There she is. So this is a brunette Barbie, and she is wearing a purple top and a cute purple skirt. Look at her cute little purple feet. I love, look at that they have so much detail. Look at them. Oh my gosh. Do you know what these might be perfect for? We're going to bring in blue-haired science Barbie. Do you think that's... Oh, they are the right size. Okay, so if you don't want to build a little BarbieLand, these would be perfect. Look at the size. These would be perfect for your Barbie to have a Barbie. These are your Barbie's Barbie. Look how tiny. Oh my gosh. Okay, thank you, my beautiful science Barbie. Look how cute they are. They are going to look, oh my gosh, so cute. They are so hard to see. They are going to look so cute on my little stand. Like, I have to pick these up because you cannot. Watch my hands again. Like, look at the detail. Just, like, the hair. Look at the difference in the hair. So she has straight hair and she has more of a wave. Now, their arms are in a stuck by the side straight down. But, I mean, for something so tiny, I can't. Like, they're just so tiny. I love them. Oh, I dropped one. So here's our pink one. They don't have to go back where they came, but there's our two little Barbies. We could always switch the colors, but these are great. So there's our two. Put them here for you. Okay. Yeah, this is definitely going to be longer than 10 minutes. What should we open next? Should we do Mini BarbieLand Reveal? Like, do I need to add water to this? Or should we do Cutie Reveal? Ooh, I'm going to do Cutie Reveal. I want to do a Cutie Reveal. I've never actually had a Barbie cutie. Let's open it. Let's open it. I brought scissors and I still can't open the package. Okay. Let's get this out. I'm excited now. I'm not going to worry so much about saving the packaging. Okay. There's our Cutie Reveal. Now, I've seen these in the store in full size. This is, I think, what they look like. There's a little heart. Oh my gosh. Okay, how do we open it? So we pull open the lid. I can't get the stuff out. Okay, I'm going to very gently. Okay. So there's the packaging. There's nothing left in it. This would be, again, is this too big for her? Look. It's the perfect size. Okay, So the lipsticks are pretty much just a play lipstick. When you're done, you can roll them up and down like there's something fun. But this one is perfect. Absolutely perfect for your Barbies to have a Barbie. Let's open it. Oh my gosh. Okay. These ones are even cuter than the lipstick ones. Look. Oh my gosh. Okay. So it has the little tiny unicorn. Do you see that tiny little unicorn? And it has the Barbie in the cutie costume. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, her head comes off because she's a cutie reveal. So the head comes off. The clothes don't come off though. Okay. So on a normal cutie reveal, I think the entire outfit comes off. On this one, it doesn't. So she keeps her outfit on. Her unicorn. Oh, this is a soft rubbery and this isn't. And then this Barbie's got the cute little pink hair. Oh my gosh. So when you put her back in, they put the little hat on her and the little tiny unicorn. Okay. That one is my favorite so far. And we still have this one and the house and the car. So this will definitely have to be 2 parts. It's going to be too long. And no one wants to hear me carry on about little teeny tiny little Barbies. Look how tiny. I love the fact that they move for that long of a period. So we are going to have to cut this into multiple videos. But here's our first 3. Oh my gosh, I love them. Her hands look really funny in this one because she has the gloves on. Oh my gosh. Now, these 2 will absolutely be in my Mini BarbieLand display. This one, because she's in an outfit, I might leave her with the tube and just put her with my Barbies as a Barbie for my Barbie. But maybe I can incorporate her. I mean, I only have one house and a car, so it's not like I have a lot of the furniture, a lot of the housing. But let me know which one is your favorite, the lipsticks or the cutie reveal. And what are you most excited to see in the next video? The house, the car. This one is so cute. Or the pop reveal. I also have another one, which is the suitcase, but I want to save that for a totally different type of video. But I am loving these so far. I cannot wait to make my little Mini BarbieLand, my very own little BarbieLand. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next week.